Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to get free Xbox Game Pass. I just got this. This is working on PC, your Xbox, and the cloud gaming as well. You're going to get basically all these games completely for free. I'm sure you guys know what Xbox Game Pass is. These recently just got added. You can see all these, popular on cloud. And this is all completely for free, and I'm going to show you guys how to get this as well. You also get the Ubisoft Plus classics as well, so all the Assassin's Creed, all that type of stuff. So yeah, all for free. I'm going to show you guys now how to get this here today. And what you're going to need is a mobile phone. I'm going to be doing this on a screen recording, so simply follow along, guys. And we're going to be all good to show you guys how to do this. So as you guys can see, I got my iPhone here. You want to come to this website called www.coupondealers.com. So www.coupon and then dealers, dealers.com. And once you're there, just press go, obviously. And then you're going to be on this page here. Whole heap of coupons. What you will do is just find the free Xbox Game Pass. It says 3 months. I normally just get a month because it's the easiest way to do it. So it's going to say 2 free sponsored apps required. So what you're going to do is press on show coupon code. Okay. And then this is going to take you to this little page right here. And it's going to have your code. This is what you're going to enter into your Xbox, to your PC, to your TV, wherever you're getting this. And we're going to unlock the code here today. I'm going to show you how easy this is. And I'm going to unlock it right here today. So, as you guys can see, it says 0 of 2 sponsored apps completed. What you need to do is basically complete 2 of these in order for this to work. And these are basically just free apps off the App Store, Google Play Store. They want you to go ahead and type in, basically press this button. You're going to type in the word it wants. You get the app off the App Store, and that's going to complete one of them. So it literally is that easy. So I'm going to do that right now for this one here. Okay, so press open. Now you got to remember what it says. And this is what you can do to get free Xbox Game Pass, guys. Like, you don't have to pay for this. And this is why we love doing this method. So as you guys can see, it wanted us to type in that. We get it there. There's the one we wanted. Make sure, obviously, you're getting the correct one, not the a different one. Otherwise, it won't work. As you guys can see, and on step 3, it says, go ahead and then open it. So that's going to be one of them complete. What we're going to do now is the second one. I'm going to show you guys what to do here. Alrighty. So this one here wants us to type in that word, find Moto. So we're going to do that exact same process, but for this one here. If I'm going too quick, let me know. I can slow down. You can slow the video down, but it is this easy. And I wanted to show you guys how easy and quick you can go ahead and get this for free. So as you guys can see, here's the Moto one, just like that. And now we have basically installed both of them. Okay, so as you guys can see, now all you have to do is just simply open them up. Obviously, these app companies want you to go ahead and keep using their app and sign up and play. And you can go do that. If you want to go do that, go do that. You're more than welcome to do that. But once you've got 2 of them, all you got to do now is basically press on the back button, and now your code is going to be revealed. So that's how easy this is. It's completely for free. Go check this out. Go do this. Get your free Xbox Game Pass. It's working on PC. It's working on Xbox. And it's working on the cloud gaming as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.